The real reason you feel stuck but never say it loud. Here is something people rarely admit, even though that we feel it. You don't trust yourself anymore. Not fully, not like you used to do. And that's the real reason you're feeling stuck. It's not the strategy, it's not the timing, it's not lack of motivation, it's not even fear of failure. It's that quiet little voice inside you saying, I don't trust myself to follow through. I don't trust myself to choose the right thing. I don't trust myself to handle life when it's getting hard and heavy. And that voice creates more problem than what is surrounding you or any situation that you are experiencing. Because when you don't trust yourself, every decision feels heavy. Every step feels risky. Every idea becomes a question mark. Every setback feels like a personal flaw. Every plan dies, it even starts. And the worst part, people blame their life or any situation surrounding it, when the real issue is inside. Here's the truth that most people never talk about. Self-trust doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being present. Your mind doesn't need pressure. It needs proof, even just tiny little proof. Small wins, little steps, moments where you show yourself, I can choose and I can handle this. That's why you feel better on days when you slow down. That's why clarity appears when the noise drops down. And that's why your best decision in life is happening when your mind is calm, not in a panic state. Self-trust comes in four simple things. Number one is noticing the thought. Be aware of that thought instead of thoughts letting control of you. Number two is calming your body so the mind can think again. Number three, find gratitude in the moment. Not because life is perfect, but because you're awake enough to choose differently. Number four, take one small step at a time. Not 10, just one. Self-trust is built in small evidence, not on big promises. You're stuck not because you're weak. You're stuck because your mind forgets what you're capable of. And the moment you remember that, even a little, your whole life starts moving again. So drop in the comments below, what's this small one tiny step that you can do that can rebuild your trust again? Share it. Let's talk about it. Share those different insights and we can learn each other. If you want to go deeper on this self-trust, how to overcome being stuck or being overwhelmed, procrastinating, gain more confidence without adding more information, but instead removing all the noise, all the distractions, because we don't need more information. We need less noise and distractions. Go to the descriptions, join my free community, and there we go deeper with awareness, reset, gratitude, and clarity. Because that tiny decision you make in your life inside our community can be the start of your new momentum. See you inside. Bye. Peace.